Welcome to our AI video series, where we explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Host: Hello and welcome, I'm Amon, your guide on this exciting journey into the realm of AI. Today we'll be diving into the process of creating an AI video, so let's get started. Step 1. Define the objective. Every successful project starts with a clear objective. Decide what you want to achieve with your AI video. Is it to educate, entertain, or inspire? Knowing your objective will help you shape the content and direction of your video. Step 2. Gather data. Next, gather the necessary data to train your AI model. The quality and quantity of data play a vital role in the performance of your AI system. Collect relevant images, videos, or text that align with your objective. Remember to ensure the data is diverse and representative to avoid biases. Step 3. Pre-process the data. Once you have your data, it's time to pre-process it. This step involves cleaning, organizing, and standardizing the data to make it suitable for training your AI model. Remove any irrelevant or duplicate data and perform necessary transformations, such as resizing images or converting file formats. Step 4. Choose an AI framework host. Now you need to choose an AI framework or platform that best suits your project. There are several options available, such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, or OpenAI's GPT. Research these frameworks to find the one that aligns with your objectives and technical expertise. Step 5. Train your AI model. Training. The AI model is a crucial step in creating an AI video. Depending on your chosen framework, you'll need to feed your pre-processed data into the model and optimize its parameters. This process requires computational power, so make sure you have the necessary hardware or access to cloud resources. Step 6. Generate and refine the video host. Once your AI model is trained, it's time to generate the video content. Based on your objective and input data, the model will create visuals or even generate scripts and dialogue. However, this initial output may not be perfect. You'll likely need to iterate and refine the generated content until it meets your desired standards. Step 7. Post-processing and final touches. After generating the video, it's time for post-processing and adding final touches. This step involves editing the video, adjusting colors, adding sound effects or music, and ensuring a polished,